Vous avez plusieurs albums, mais le dernier est dispo sous format vinyle. C'est une volonté?
Well, we've got 4 releases all in all. We started off with a 7-inch vinyl, which was called Even Preachers Wear Black, and yeah, since then we've got 3 releases since then. That are full length albums. The latest one being a vinyl again, which is 12-inch vinyl. Yeah, the idea is basically just to get people listening to albums again instead of just one song, and there's a concept behind the album, so people get to hear the full message of it. That's the idea. So yeah, because when you're listening to vinyl, it really you kind of finish the side. So yeah, you finish the side. So the thing is, you're not just listening to one MP3 in isolation. So it gets the message of the album across.
Alors justement, de quoi parle ce dernier album?
Yeah, this new album is very sort of socially motivated. There's a lot of things going on in South Africa at the moment that we felt we needed to voice. We need to expose through music and through art. And it's basically just an observation of politicians and people, the powers that be. They tend to plunder their way through and not really care about the consequence and about the damage that is caused. And from our side as well, it's almost like it's been 13 years of just carrying on, So we're making progress.
Votre musique reflète donc votre environnement sud-africain?
Most definitely, yeah, most definitely. We basically just observe and report, on the situation. We don't really offer any answers, but we just want people to see what's going on. So yeah, that's kind of the idea.
On a l'impression que The Slash Dogs respire et mange du rock'n'roll.
Well, we've always kind of been like that. We are purveyors of rock and roll. It's always been with us from the start, and the spirit of rock and roll, which is really about the individual. And we try not to get involved with what's going on in fashion. We believe in style. There's a big difference. Rock and roll has kind of been our salvation from when we were young. And it's kind of our church. So I guess we do raise a middle finger, but it's not even really intentional. It's just who we are. We carry on with what we do and what we love, and that's why the influence on the music is quite diverse. Because I think that the band is full of the whole band is a bunch of very strong individuals. So I think it comes through in the music. It's still rock and roll, but it's ours. We made it our own. So, yeah.
Merci à vous The Slash Dogs d'avoir été nos invités de cette semaine. On vous souhaite de nombreuses scènes. Et nous direction maintenant l'agenda pour noter quelques dates de concert.